I'm Matt from HeatGeek, Head of Partnerships, here with Gráinne Regan, Head of Heat at OVO.
Best job title in the world.
And Best Partner.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for finding time to talk to us, and long overdue. We've been working together now since I joined HeatGeek, which is since August last year.
Months and months, all time. Yeah, it feels like a long time, but we've done lots in that time, I guess.
So let's go back to the beginning.
Yeah.
Learn a little bit more about you.
Yeah.
Why heat?
Why heat? So I've worked in the energy space for years and years and years.
Why? Why energy?
Why energy? Really existential question. I think I'm really passionate about the environment, protecting our planet. And for me, energy is one of the spaces that you can make the most difference when it comes to reducing climate change and, taking actual tangible actions to reduce our carbon emissions. So I think when it comes to the impact that you can have, energy and heat then is one of the biggest spaces to play in. I think it's 14% or 17% of the UK's carbon emissions are as a result of heat. So if you can take steps to reduce that through installation of heat pumps and provision of green energy, you're making a big difference.
So were you always into like eco and climate stuff as a kid, or?
Yeah, definitely. Grew up with a bit of a hippie family, and so always spent a lot of time outdoors. And I think that then translates into just a general appreciation for, the planet and wildlife and all of the stuff that goes alongside that. So yeah, it's fundamental to what kind of drives me and purpose, and it's great to work for a mission-based organisation. OVO and HeatGeek are quite similar in that regard, and that's really satisfying to me.
Yeah, it's something that really brought the organisations together, and it's always something we go back to. It's like shared mission, how are we going to decarbonise the UK? And it's really hard.
It's really hard, yeah.
It's obviously a lot easier to do it together, with others. Okay, so can you tell us anything more about what OVO's doing in terms of how to tackle that problem?
Yeah, so we obviously have a pretty large customer base, so that's an incredible opportunity.
Like 4.5 million customers?
Yeah. So it's an incredible opportunity to make a real difference. And I think what we've spent the last little while doing is getting an understanding of what are the barriers when it comes to helping our customers decarbonise. So we look at a customer's journey on a slightly maybe longer sort of a viewpoint than some of our competitors. We like to look at what are the barriers now. How do we help them overcome them? And that might not necessarily mean that they get a heat pump tomorrow, but it's how do they take steps towards that? So we launched our heat pump installation product for consumers in October of last year, with obviously HeatGeek as our installation partner, which was incredibly exciting. And alongside that, we launched Heat Pump Plus, which is our tariff or add-on for heat pump customers, which dramatically reduces the cost of running a heat pump. So the idea being that we overcome some of those cost concerns that customers might have when it comes to moving to a heat pump. But before you even get to that point, we also have products that are for customers who are a little bit earlier on in that journey. So, if they're not sure, they don't really understand their heating, we'd recommend getting a smart thermostat. It engages them in their heating, it educates them around how much gas they're using, and it allows them to reduce their gas consumption as well, whilst they then either get their home insulated or whatever that might be to move to a heat pump. And then we also have an energy experts offering, which is essentially a team of brilliant energy assessors who go around to our customers' homes and take the time to understand the customer's needs, take a look at the property, the fabric, carry out an energy performance certificate, and give the customer bespoke recommendations about how they can decarbonise. That could be small measures like we've just talked about, could be getting a heat pump, could be getting solar and battery. It really depends on that customer's specific scenario, but really useful for us to have those conversations and understand a little bit more about some of those barriers that customers are facing.
So as an OVO customer, which I am a proud OVO customer, you can, from wherever you are, you can help them on their low carbon journey. Yeah,
that's it. It's trying to provide something for everyone. I think heat pumps, we love heat pumps, obviously, but they're expensive. They are, even with the fantastic government grant of £7,500, they are still a bit more expensive than a gas boiler. So it's about how do we make it accessible for everyone, and how do we, help overcome those cost barriers, but also offer something that helps people move on that journey.
Yeah, and I think we've just found out that the cheapest, or the we've just found out that somebody on the Heat Pump Plus is paying 3.3 pence per kilowatt hour for their heating, or something like that. Is that right?
Well, yeah, absolutely. So when you combine a really efficient install with this add-on, you're able to reduce the amount of energy that the heat pump is consuming, and then as a result of that, the overall cost of heating your home. So achieving a super high efficiency score is a brilliant combination to really bring your heating costs down significantly. Yeah, it's really exciting.
So, and as an energy supplier, obviously you can help with that kind of tariff design or add-on to make sure the cost of the electricity is as low as possible. What is it about partnering with HeatGeek that's beneficial to you? What is it you like about the partnership?
We love working with HeatGeek because you are so aligned with our goal to drive and educate consumers about the importance of a quality install. Not all installs are equal, as you know, and I think the incredible work that you do with the training programs that you've launched and just the network of engineers that you're building is fundamental to making sure that heat pumps are installed properly. And we know that, a lot of the horror stories that you read in the media about heat pumps not working properly, first of all, that's a very small minority. But when you do have cases like that, it's because the installs, it's not properly thought through. So we love working with HeatGeek because you're looking at the system design as a whole, and you're taking the time, or your network of installers are taking the time to make sure that the heat pumps are working to the best of their ability, which is fundamental when it comes to encouraging people to make that switch.
So obviously it's been perfect working with us and nothing's gone wrong at all.
Perfect. Yeah.
No. What do you like in terms of working with us as an organisation? Have you got any feedback for us? What should Ardil know about me that you can improve it?
I think, I have no negative feedback. I think it's been brilliant. I'd love to do more together. I think we are both. We both have incredible relationships with our customers and our network of installers, and so it's how do we bring that sort of presence to bear, and we've talked before about Adam's fantastic range of content that's produced. Like, how do we do a little bit more together to continue that education? I was on a panel with Adam earlier talking specifically about smart tariffs, and it very quickly emerged that the tariffing world and the energy world is super complex, and I think for the typical installer it can be just a bit overwhelming. So I'd love to do more to sort of help bring both consumers but also installers along on that journey, and make sure that they're confident in talking about the value that these tariffs can bring to their customers, because we see the Heat Pump Plus as hopefully a sales closer tool for installers. It's helping overcome those concerns, and to be able to talk about real tangible benefits, it's fantastic. So I'd love to do more of that, and that's the primary thing. But overall, HeatGeek, great partner. You can take that as a soundbite.
I'll have that.
Yeah.
So sort of upgrade your home, save money every month, and that's what Heat Pump Plus allows you to do, right?
Yeah.
It's the best tariff, I think, for heat pumps that's available.
Yeah.
So it's about quality, and it's about kind of making sure that, I guess for you, I think that would be a fear, right? Getting into heat pumps is if it goes wrong or if the install's bad, which is why it's so important to have good quality.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool. So how does Heat Pump Plus work, and how is it that, working with HeatGeek helps you to deliver it?
Yeah. So for Heat Pump Plus, we actually talk directly to the heat pump itself. So we're connected to the software that powers both Vaillant and Viessmann heat pumps.
Wait, what? It's available with Viessmann 2 now?
It's available with Viessmann 2 as of today.
You heard it here second, probably.
Yeah. True. Heat Pump Plus is now available for Viessmann customers as well.
Congrats.
And that's all part of our mission to make heat pumps more affordable across the board. And we're working with the manufacturers to increase that list all the time. We really want this to be a mass market proposition because it will help overall adoption, it will help the market grow, and that's what's needed. But when it comes to the role that sort of HeatGeek and the installers play within that, it's making sure that the heat pumps that are installed have the necessary kit that's required for us to then connect to the heat pump. Right. So for Vaillant, it's the My Vaillant Connect internet gateway, which is sort of a separate box. We need to get that installed along with the heat pump, and we need to talk the customer through how they set up their account. And that then enables us to talk to the heat pump directly. So thankfully, all HeatGeek installs come with that as standard, which is fantastic, and I guess testament to the forward-thinking view that you guys have around digitization and connectivity and all of that good stuff. So that's really important. And then similarly with Viessmann, their connectivity technology is actually built in, but we need to make sure that the customer is signed up to the app and the control app at the point of installation as well. So lots of this stuff installers are already doing, but it's really, really important when it comes to that next step of, okay, well, now I've got my heat pump in, how do I run it in a way that's not going to cost me a fortune?
And that's all necessary for the HeatGeek Guarantee, which guarantees you can have a warm home on a cold day at the efficiency in your design, for which we need to see how the system's performing. So it's just a kind of natural consequence of that. Great. Yeah, and another reason that we love working with HeatGeek is because you guys guarantee the quality of the installs that you're doing. So it's not just about making sure it works up front, but it's about making sure that the customer has the reassurance that a year down the line, that heat pump is still going to be as efficient as was promised. And I think being able to give customers that reassurance it's a fantastic selling point, and hopefully it will overcome some of the nervousness that some customers have. So we love that about the HeatGeek model, and being able to offer that then to OVO customers as well. Cool. I mean, I would say from my personal perspective, I just love working with OVO. You're a lovely bunch. You're a lovely bunch. It's good. We have fun together, right? Yeah. But I think we're also driven by the same thing, and it means that, we can have a bit of fun along the way, but still get things done and still, really see tangible progress, which is great. So. Cut that carbon. Yeah, absolutely. So what are OVO's plans, in the future? How do you hope the partnership might evolve? Yeah. So we're really excited about what the future holds for this relationship. Obviously, we've worked with HeatGeek since the start of our heat pump journey. I feel like we've only just scratched the surface in terms of the stuff that we can do together. So we're really excited to be using your software essentially to power our installation offering. So the incredible range of tools that you've built for installers, we're excited to roll those out across the network as we kind of build out our own installation offering. Continue to sort of tap into the training that you've developed as well. And of course, continuing to work directly with the network of installers that you guys have built up yourselves as well. So there's so much there. And yeah, I think it's lots of exciting stuff to come down the line. Just 4.5 million customers to get through. Absolutely, one at a time. Yeah, great. Yeah, likewise. We're loving it and excited to just go faster. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Nice. OVO are working with HeatGeek. Yes.